In this video, I'm going to explain about Zorder indexing in Databricks. So basically, Zorder is used to make the data retrieval faster. It is often used with the optimize command in pyspark to make it more optimized for our data retrieval process. There are a lot of indexing concepts are there in data engineering. These indexing concepts make you to increase the performance of data retrieval. Zorder is also one of them. It's been often used while building big data frameworks. So in this video, I'm going to perform some benchmarking with Zorder indexing. And I will show you how it will decrease the latency with some practical timestamp proofs. So in this video, I'm going to create a dataset with around 10 million entries, and then I will try to retrieve some information. I will attach timestamps in my data retrieval query, so you will get the time difference between optimized and not optimized data while running the retrieval query. Before that, you have to know two things in pyspark. First one is optimize command, and second one is Zorder by. Optimize command is often used to combine the smaller files into a large one. It's been often used when you have streaming data from the source. What streaming data will do is, every time a new data coming from the source, it often creates a small files. For example, from the streaming source, sometimes one record will come, and for that one record, it will create Parquet file. Same like this, it will happen for multiple times, depends upon your streaming source. So if it happens for multiple times, it will generate lot of small files. This makes lot of input-output operation, which will eventually create latency issues. So to reduce the latency issues, we have optimize command, which will combine the small files into a large one. So it makes less input-output operation while querying the data. So next one is Zorder by. Zorder is nothing but it will categorize your data in a sorted manner. I will explain this with one example. You will easily understand. We have two set of images here. First one is no Zordering and another one is Zordering implemented. By seeing this image itself, you can able to understand the first image we have two files, but it is not in a sorted manner. But after applying the Zorder by, we have a sorted IDs. Suppose when you're searching your customer ID A here, it will search the file 1. It will search the file 1 first. Since it is already sorted, it will get the value quickly. But if you search value B in the first image, it is there in file 2. It will search the file 1 first, and next it will go to the file 2. It will add delay while doing the search. Mostly Zorder will be applied when the columns are having less cardinality. Cardinality means columns which are having less distinct values. You can apply on high cardinality also, but it is makes less impact compared to the less one. So this is the theory about Zorder and optimize. Let's see how it is working in real time. In the first cell, I have a code which will generate 10 million records with 4 columns like ID, customer ID, sales amount, and region data. And then I'm storing it in some temporary location as a delta format. In the next cell, I have added the time parameters methods. And then I added some filter like customer equal to 1234. This is our retrieval information on my data frame, which I named it as a unoptimized DF. I'm using the count to trigger the action in the pyspark to get to know the timestamp which it is taking to get the customer ID 1234. Okay, so let's run this code. So see here, to get one ID from 10 million records, it is taking 11 seconds. We don't have much transformation in between. It has only one operation, even though it is taking 11 seconds. In real time, you have tons of information in between the data. It will shuffle across multiple files at the same time. So it will be more delaying process to make the data retrieval. That's why we are using the optimize command here. So see the command here, the optimize should come first, and then we have to do Zorder by. As of now, I put the customer ID here, but if you want to make multiple columns in Zorder by, it is possible. All you need to do is you have to add one extra column name in the bracket. That's all. So let's run this code. So okay, it is done. Our dataset is optimized, and let me run this code. This code here is nothing but the same code which I used in the top. The only difference is after doing the optimization, we are running this command. See here we have the record retrieved in 2 seconds. We have saved roughly around 9 seconds. So this is the difference between the optimized one and unoptimized one. So that's all about this video. If you have any doubts, comment it down. See you guys in the next video.